Hey everyone, it's GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. So after starting the lab, open your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then come on to Google Cloud Console and search for VM instance. And then open this first option in new tab, which is VM instance. And the first task, we have to create one instance. Now wait for some time. Now click on this create instance. And now for, wait, okay. Now for instance name, simply come on to lab instruction. And then click on this task number 1 and scroll down a little bit. From point number 3, you will get all the information. So for name, copy this name and replace it with this name which is already there and paste that name. And for reason, for me it's US East 1. Okay, it's already selected, and zone US East 1C. Okay. Now scroll down a little bit, make sure that series is E2 selected, and then for machine type E2 medium. Then click on this OS and storage, and then click on this change. Now we have to change the version. So click on this version and select this Linux 11. And then click on this select. Then come on to this networking and simply allow HTTP traffic. And then click on this create. Now just wait for some time to get the green tick here. Once we get the green tick here, we will move to the next task. Okay, so we have got the green tick here. Now what we have to do, simply click on this SSH and open this in new tab. And then click on this authorize and then wait for some time. Okay, now we have to come back to live instruction page and then click on this task number 2 and copy this first code, paste it here in SSH and hit enter. Okay, so done. Now scroll down a little bit, you will get this second code, copy, paste it here and hit enter. Just wait for some time, maybe this code can take some time. Okay, so we are done with that second number code also. Means if you get this type of interface, that means that we have done with that code. And then scroll down a little bit, you will get third code in point number 3, copy this third code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, so we are done with the task number 2. Simply scroll down and click on check my progress for task number 2. Okay, so we have got the green tick here. Now come on to the task number 4 and scroll down a little bit. You will get this code here, and see here we have to change this with our zone. Okay, so make sure to change this line, change this word with your zone. So copy this, paste it here in SSH, and what you have to do, let me increase text size. Okay, what you have to do is simply delete this zone and come on to lab instruction page, click on the task number 1, scroll down a little bit from the point number 3 of task number 1, copy this zone and then paste it here and then hit enter. Okay, so we have got the error here, and if you also face error in this task, I will tell you the step what you have to do. And if you are not facing any error, then well and good. You can simply click on check my progress for task number 3. You will get the green tick. And if you are facing error, which right now I am also facing error, so what you have to do, I will give all this code in description box. What you have to do is simply run this code one by one. So copy the first code, paste it here in SSH and hit enter. Now copy this second code, then paste it here and hit enter. Now simply press Y and hit enter. Now what you have to do is simply copy this URL and then paste it in new tab and open it and sign in with your student username. Then click on continue. Now allow. And then what we have to do, click on this copy and come on to this SSH and paste it here and hit enter. Done. Now come on to this code, copy this third code, paste it here and hit enter. Now copy this project ID. This is our project ID. And then again come back here. What we have to do is we have to replace this project ID word with our project ID. So simply delete this project ID from here and paste your project ID. And then copy this both code and paste it here in SSH and hit enter. Okay, we are done with all the code. Now come on to lab instruction page and then rerun this command again from task number 3. Rerun this command and make sure to change this word June with your June, which is there in your lab instruction page. So come on to the task number 1, scroll down a little bit, you will get your June here and then paste it here and hit enter. Okay, so we have got the error here again. I think this is because of extra space. So simply remove the extra space and again hit enter. Now wait for some time. Okay, so we have got this type of output, which is also mentioned in the lab instruction page. Okay, sorry. So we have got this type of output. You can see here. This means that we are done with the task number 3. So simply click on check my progress for task number 3. You will get the green tick here. And I will provide all this code in my description box. Now you can simply end the lab from here, or you can click on check my progress. Okay, so we have done this lab 100%. Now simply click on end lab. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this tutorial, simply hit the like and subscribe button.